Shall we make a weigh scale? Good morning, Grandma. Can I also help you water the plants?
Good morning, Minu. Yes, you can. Look at these lovely roses.
Yes, Grandma. They look beautiful.
Minu, help, help.
Oh, what happened, Buzz? Why are you shouting?
Chinu is chasing me. I just woke him up and he is angry with me.
Grandma, today is Sunday. I wanted to sleep for some more time. This bus came and buzzed in my ear and woke me up.
It's okay, Chinu. Look, the sun is shining brightly high up in the sky.
Grandma, tell Chinu a story. He will be fine.
I know, Buzz. You want to listen to a story. But it's okay. Grandma, will you please tell us a story?
Okay, sit down, all of you. I will tell you the story of the stupid crow. One day, a crow was sitting on the branch of a tree. Under the tree, a woman had a small shop. She was making vadas.
What is a vada, Grandma?
A vada is a very tasty dish. It is round in shape and made mostly in South India. The crow was watching the lady make vadas. Its mouth started watering. It wanted to eat a vada. So it flew down very fast, picked up a vada and flew back to the top of the tree. A very cunning fox was watching all this from behind a tree. The fox also wanted to eat a vada, but it knew that it could not go and pick up a vada as the lady would easily chase it away. So it slowly went up to the crow. The fox said, "Good morning, crow. You look so lovely today. You are so beautiful." The crow was very happy to hear this. The cunning fox said, "But I'm sure your voice is more beautiful. If you sing a song, it will be the most beautiful song ever." The crow was very happy to hear this. He wanted to sing a song. So he opened his mouth to sing a song. And lo, the vada fell out from his mouth. The cunning fox caught it and ran away.
What a silly crow, Grandma. And what a cunning, clever fox.
But the crows take away our food sometimes, Grandma. Once it took away Minu's biscuit. I cannot carry a biscuit. I cannot carry a vada also.
That is because they are heavy for you, Buzz. You can only carry very light things.
Can we weigh things at home, Minu? Can I weigh them myself?
Yes, you can. Okay, let us make a weigh scale today. Oh, yes! Let us make one now. I know how to make it. They taught me in school. I will go get some lids. Okay, Chinu, let me get some thick thread and sticks. Friends, You too can collect these things to make a weigh scale with us.
Meenu, you get the thread. I will go and bring the sticks.
Okay, now we have our things. We have so many lids also. Let us start making our weigh scales.
Meenu, wait. I am also making one.
Hey, look! Our weigh scale is ready. Let us weigh things now.
I will get some things to weigh. Look, I have got a feather.
Let me put that on one side and my pencil on the other.
Oh, Meenu, the pencil side is going down.
That's right. So, the pencil is heavier than the feather. Now, let me take out the feather and put my geometry box. Look, the geometry box has gone down. So, it is heavier than the pencil. Let me write it in my notebook. Light, heavy, heavier. Feather, pencil, and geometry box. But let us do it with 3 more things. This paper, eraser, and my ball. First, put the paper here and the ball on the other side. The ball is heavier. Now, let me take out the paper and put the eraser.
Oh, again the ball is heavier.
Okay, let me write it down. Paper is light. Then eraser. And then my ball. So ball is the heaviest of the 3.
Chinu, this game is lots of fun. We can get to know which things are light and which are heavy. But how do we get to know their weight?
We need weights for that. We can also make some simple weights. Look, Ma bought this soap bar yesterday. Let me see the label.
What are you looking for in the label?
Buzz, the weight of the soap bar is written on the label. Look, it says 100 grams. That means the weight of this soap bar is 100 grams.
We know that this soap bar weighs 100 grams.
We can use this as our weight.
Look, I will put this soap bar on one side of this weigh scale and the eraser on the other side. See, the soap bar side has gone down. So, the soap bar is heavier.
That means the eraser is less than 100 grams in weight.
Meenu, that is smart. Then we can take many things as our weights, like a soap bar, a biscuit packet, or anything on which the weight is marked. But Ma will look for those things.
Hee hee. I know Ma will look for them. We can try and make our own weights. Look, I will put this soap bar on one side of the weigh scale. It has gone down. Now, let me put a packet on the other side.
Now, I will fill the packet with sand till it becomes equal in weight to the soap bar.
Look, the scale is equally balanced now. So this packet of sand now weighs 100 grams.
Just the same weight of the soap bar.
Meenu, can you give me your rubber band? We will close the mouth of this bag. Give it to me, Chinu. I will do it. Now we will write 100 gram on this bag. So our 100 gram weight is ready. Friends, you can also make use of different things like a soap bar or a biscuit packet to make weights like this.
Meenu, this is fun.
Buzz, look! You are less than 100 grams. Look at you, tiny little thing.
So, I can weigh myself on this weigh scale. Meenu, Chinu, what is your weight? How do you weigh yourself? This scale is too small for you.
Buzz, my weight is 28 kilos and Chinu's is 24 kilos. We don't weigh ourselves on this weigh scale. When we went to the market last week, we weighed ourselves on a weighing machine. There is a weighing machine in the market. Sahil has a weighing machine too. Meenu, I weighed myself on that also. You have to just stand on that machine and the needle moves to tell you your weight. His father bought it from the town market. I have told Papa also. He will buy it for us the next time he goes to the town.
Oh, that will be fun. Then we can find the weight of everything. Even I will stand on that.
Buzz, you are so light. The needle will not even move when you stand on it.
Fresh vegetable, green beans, peas, cauliflowers, fresh potatoes, fresh vegetables.
We need some vegetables. Chinu, can you get me a bag from inside?
Grandma, I will also come with you to buy vegetables.
Good morning, Grandma. What can I give you?
Good morning, Babulal. Give me 1 kilo each of potatoes and onions. Can you also give me 500 gram of beans?
Oh, you buy some things in kilograms and some in grams?
Yes, Buzz. We don't need lots of coriander or green chilies. If we buy them in grams. But we need more of potatoes and onions. So we buy them in kilograms. Do you remember how many grams make a kilogram? Oh, Meenu, you don't know this? Buzz does not remember anything.
Don't make fun of me, Chinu. I am thinking. I know. 1000 grams make 1 kilogram. So 500 grams is half a kilo. See, I know the answer.
You are a cheater, Buzz. I know how you know the answer. Meenu told you.
It's okay, Chinu. At least he knows it now.
Meenu, now I remember. Even when we buy things from the grocer's shop, we buy some things in kilograms and some things in grams.
That's right, Buzz. We normally buy rice, wheat, and most of our pulses in kilograms. But we buy most of our masalas like chili powder, turmeric powder, black pepper, coriander powder, or sambar powder in grams.
Babulal, can you give me 800 grams of lady's finger?
Grandma, what is he doing? Why is he putting weights on both sides of the weigh scale?
I will tell you. Grandma wants 800 grams of lady's finger, and I do not have a 800 grams weight. Look, I only have 1 kilo, half a kilo, 200 grams and 100 grams. So I put 1 kilo weight on one side first and put the 200 grams weight on the other side.
But why?
Buzz, I will tell you. You know, 1000 grams is 1 kilo. Uncle has put that on one side. Now, Babu Lal uncle has put 200 grams on the other side. So, it is 1000 minus 200, which is 800. Now, the weight is 800 grams.
That's right, Meenu. Now, I will put lady's finger on this side along with this 200 grams weight. Here, Grandma, your 800 grams lady's finger.
Uncle, you can do it one more way also. You can use 3 of your weights on one side. You have a 500 grams, 200 grams and 100 grams weight. It is 500 plus 200 plus 100, which is 800. So it is 800 grams.
That's very smart, Chinu. I can do that also. Thank you, children.
Oh, look there, Grandma. Look at the bullock cart. The bullocks are not able to move.
Oh, our neighbors are moving to a new village. The things are so heavy that the bullocks are not able to pull the cart. I will go and tell them to take away some things.
How heavy are the things, Grandma?
Oh, they are very heavy. Can you see that table? It will be about 30 kgs. The almirah will weigh about 80 kg. That chair will be 10 kg at least. And those kitchen things will be 20 kg. They have 100 kg sack of wheat and 50 kg sack of rice also. I don't think the bullocks can pull anything more than 250 kgs.
Grandma, let me calculate the weight in my mind. 30 plus 80 plus 10 plus 20 plus 100 plus 50. That will be 290 kilograms. That is really heavy, Grandma. Grandma, you have to ask them to take away some things. If they take away the 50 kilogram rice sack, the weight will become 290 minus 50, which is equal to 240. That will be easier for the bullocks. If they take out the almirah, it will be better for the bullocks. Then it will become 290 minus 80, which is 210. That will be 210 kgs then.
Children, can you take this vegetable bag inside? I will go and tell them to take away some heavy things from the cart.
Yes, Grandma. Friends, you can also make a weigh scale like us. You can use any lids and some thread and stick. You can use soaps, biscuit, or anything else which has the weight written on it to make your own sand weights. It is lots of fun to weigh things and find out which is heavy and which is light. Do you know your weight?
Will you tell loudly which of the two is heavier?
Pencil, geometry box, geometry box, water bottle, eraser, water bottle, feather, pen, pen,
orange, watermelon, watermelon, pumpkin, tomato, pumpkin, will you tell loudly which of the two is lighter? Dog, rat, rat, feather, apple, feather, fan, spoon, spoon, paper, book, paper, now there are three things. Will you arrange them in order? Heavy, heavier and heaviest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Eraser, heavy, pencil box, heavier, book, heaviest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Feather, heavy, pen, heavier, water bottle, heaviest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Leaf, heavy. Tomato, heavier. Pumpkin, heaviest. Heavy. Heavier. Heaviest. Spoon, heavy. Glass, heavier. Pan, heaviest. Heavy. Heavier. Heaviest. Paper, heavy. Pen, heavier. Book, heaviest. Will you fill in the blanks with the correct weight? Kilograms or grams? 4 of rice. Kilograms. 4 kilograms of rice. 100 of coriander seeds. Grams. 100 grams of coriander seeds. 2 of wheat flour. Kilograms. 2 kilograms of wheat flour. 50 of cumin seeds. Grams. 50 grams of cumin seeds. 1 of sugar. Kilogram. 1 kilogram of sugar. 500 of red gram. Grams. 500 grams of red gram. 250 of tea. Grams. 250 grams of tea. 25 of red chili powder. Grams. 25 grams of red chili powder. Shall we match the following now? 100 grams. 50 grams plus 50 grams. 400 grams. 200 grams plus 200 grams. 500 grams. 250 grams plus 250 grams. 250 grams. 200 grams plus 50 grams. 800 grams. 500 grams plus 200 grams plus 100 grams. 1000 grams minus 800 grams. 200 grams. 100 grams. 50 grams plus 50 grams. 400 grams. 200 grams plus 200 grams. 500 grams. 250 grams plus 250 grams. 250 grams. 200 grams plus 50 grams. 800 grams. 500 grams plus 200 grams plus 100 grams. 1000 grams minus 800 grams. 200 grams.
Bye bye, friends.